Hi everyone, I'm Pooja Gokul, the founder of Amoha Prints, a one-stop shop for block printing. Today, I would like to introduce you to the Kit Starter Kit for block printing. It is for the Chota Karigar in your child, which means the young artisan. My daughter Miraya started printing at the age of 1.5. She loved the process of dabbing color from the tray and printing on fabric as well as paper. My daughter was very excited when she saw her prints come to life. That's when I decided to come up with the Kit Starter Kit for all the Chota Karigars out there. The Kit Starter Kit has a tray, a tarpi, 3 colors, red, yellow, blue, along with 3 pieces of cloth, 1 for each color, 3 blocks, a canvas bag and a brush to wash the blocks. We have introduced different combinations of blocks, obviously because kids have their favorites. So starting with the birds, then we have the vegetables and fruits, the animals, we have the aquatic life, the vehicles and the odd 3. Raya, can you tell me which one is your favorite block?
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Okay, that's nice. All the products in the kit are made in-house and they are handmade. The colors that you have here are eco-friendly and safe for your child's skin. We give you a canvas backpack for your child to print on, as the colors are permanent on fabric. It can be used by them to take for school and for extracurricular activities as well as for traveling. We would like to show you how to block print with our starter kit. Firstly, you will require the tray and the tarpi. Miraya, can you give me a color that you like? Thank you. Take the fabric that we have provided in the kit, place it in the tray like this. Next step, you will have to put the color onto the fabric and then you will have to spread it evenly with the pointed corner. Miraya, can you spread it? Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's good. Miraya, can you select the block from the box? Take one block. Would you like the fish, starfish or the sea turtle? The starfish, okay. Can you dab it in the color? Yeah, good. That's good. Now you'll have to print it on the fabric. Hit it. Can you hit it? Hit it? Okay. Can we take it out?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, block printing will help your child develop fine motor skills, a sense of touch, smell, and enjoy the process of creating fun prints on paper. I would recommend first and then move on to fabric. So the colors you can achieve from the kit are the primary colors and secondary colors. We have the blue right here. To get green, you'll have to mix yellow. I'm just going to add a bit of yellow in this and then evenly spread it, and then it turns to green. Now you can print with green on your piece of fabric. So now if your child wants to print with a different color, what you have to do is just remove the fabric that you have used. Keep it aside. It can be washed and reused. Then after that, please wipe the tray well with a cloth and then take the next piece of fabric that we have provided in your box and place it in the tray. Before you give the blocks to your kids, please show them how to print. Put the color onto the tray, dab the block on the color and print on the fabric. Put a bit of pressure and remove in the opposite direction. Also, it will be great if you can put a bed sheet on the table so that the print comes perfectly when you are doing it. Please wash the block after you have finished printing with the brush provided in the box, just with water. You can buy this kit starter kit on my website amohaprints.com. If you like this video, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube at Amoha Prints. Thank you. Bye-bye.